So ito yung Excel ng check development length. So dito sa transverse RSB at under column 1, sinolve natin yung required development length, which is ito. Ayan. And then yung actual development length, which is ito. Same thing with transverse RSB under column 2, and then longitudinal top bars. Ayan. Followed by the temperature and shrinkage bars, which is this. So nag-start tayo sa top. Ngayon, kinompute niya yung required AS. Ito. Tapos yung actual AS. Yan. Followed by bottom transverse TNS bars per meter strip. So required AS and then yung AS. And finally, the bottom longitudinal temperature and shrinkage bars per meter strip, which is ayan. And then, ang next natin would be yung check for minimum bar clearance. For all bars, gaya nito ang transverse bars under column 1, column 2, longitudinal, temperature, and shrinkage bars, we will be comparing this dito lang sa minimum bar clearance, which is the maximum among 3 conditions. So meron tayong 4/3 of maximum aggregate size, maximum bar diameter, and 25 mm. So kunin mo yung maximum dyan sa tatlong yan. So first, let's compute the minimum bar clearance para sa transverse bars under column 1, which is, ang kailangan natin dito ay yung X1, dBy1, tsaka NY1. Yan. Okay? dBy1, tsaka NY1. And yung X1. Nasaan itong si X1? Nanggaling yan dito sa check transverse reinforcing steel bars. Ayan, si X1. Ganon din si X2. Okay? So, ang spacing niya is X1 minus clear cover minus dBy1 times NY1 divided by NY1 minus 1. This should be greater than or equal to the minimum clearance, which we solve here. For transverse bars under column 2, ang concerned naman dito ay X2, dBy2, tsaka NY2, or this one. And then for longitudinal top bars, ang kailangan natin dito ay ito. Yan. Tapos, sa top temperature and shrinkage bars, ang kailangan natin dito ay S1, which is this. Simple lang ito. So, yung in-input natin na S1 should be greater than dito sa kinompute natin. And then, para sa S3 or bottom longitudinal reinforcing steel bars, ang kailangan natin dito ay yung S3. Okay? So, take note na i-minus natin dito yung diameter ng bar, dtx, dahil ang kinocompute natin dito is yung clear space. Ganon din dito sa S1 minus dty1. And then, for bottom transverse RSB, this is S2 minus dty2, which is, yan yung kailangan natin. So, ito yun sa kanyang Excel. After which, kailangan din nating i-check yung maximum bar spacing. Dapat hindi tayo lalampas. Otherwise, masyadong maluluwang na. Meron din tayong sinusundan na limitation. So kung merong maximum row tsaka minimum row, meron ding maximum spacing tsaka minimum spacing. For transverse RSB under column 1, the actual spacing is x1 minus clear cover minus dby1 all over 2 divided by ny minus 1. So this should be lesser than or equal to the maximum S. Ang maximum S mo for transverse RSB under column 1 is the minimum among three conditions. So 450, twice of thickness, and pi dby1 squared all over 4 divided by rho g times t. Take note na ang kasama dito ay yung dby1. And then let's go to transverse RSB under column 2. Ang maximum S dito, same equation as this, pero ang i-consider mo dito ay dby2 to get your new maximum S. And then you compute your actual spacing, which is x2 minus cc minus dby2 all over 2 divided by ny2 minus 1. And then for longitudinal top bars, ito, ang concerned naman dito ngayon ay db top. Okay? Tapos, syempre, computein mo rin yung kanyang sariling maximum spacing. Ang gagamitin mo dyan ay db top. Yan. So, yan yung sasubstitute mo dito. And then, for top temperature and shrinkage bars, ang spacing dito ay yung input na S1, which is this. It should be lesser than or equal to your maximum S. Ngayon, ang kailangan mo na spacing dito ay yung dty1. Yan ang sasubstitute mo dito. And then for bottom longitudinal RSB, or that is for S3, ayan, ang kukumputin mo dito ay yung maximum S ulit, pero ang gagamitin mo would be this, yung dtx. Okay? And then finally dito sa bottom transverse RSB, which is ang involved dito yung S2, ito, no, transverse bottom, ang kailangan mong bakal dito ay yan, itong may S2. So you have to compute also your maximum S here. Ang sasubstitute mo dyan ay yung S sub 2 dito. Okay? So that's how you check your spacing, minimum bar clearance, tsaka maximum bar spacing.